What if you could send one email to your prospect, then let an entire team of AI agents do everything for you? I built an entire system where one agent sends out an email, then another replies to the objections, and then a third actually calls them and books them on your calendar. This is by far the most powerful automated sales loop I have ever created, and it works while you sleep. And in this video, I'm going to give you all 3 of these AI agents plus the workflows completely free. So let me first show you the crappy way to do this, then the way I do it with these amazing AI agents. Okay, so what most people do is they find their leads, they then send an email, they then call them, and it's just this whole back and forth process that isn't automated at all. But AI is good enough to the point where we actually can automate reaching out to local businesses. Again, make sure people are properly opted in, but this is an absolute game changer. So what I've essentially built is an entire AI agent sequence that does everything. Okay, like just wait, like you're gonna see this literally does everything. So first off, it basically runs through and sends them an email. Okay, that's step number 1, reaching out. Okay, that's what this automation does. From there, we have an AI agent that basically can talk to them, an AI chatbot back and forth on email. So then you have the reach out, then you have an AI agent that will message back and forth on email. And we're talking world-class email marketing plus follow up. From there, what it does is it then, connects to this AI agent. Yes, AI agents are the ones that can, right here.
Hey, Declan, it is the team at following up on your recent call. Do you have a couple of minutes?
The AI agents that can talk to you on the phone like that. It's absurd. From here, once this books the appointment, is you don't even call them. It gets connected to this outbound voice agent, which is this right here, what we just showed. This automation pings them. It then sends them a call. And then from here, you can even set up this last trigger, pick the exact kind of invoice you want to have it then send them a quote or an invoice. A quote or an invoice. That is how powerful this entire thing is. It is fully automated. Yes, steps A to Z, the whole freaking thing. Now, obviously, you want to make sure you're always following the right compliance and not just harassing people, because this is really powerful stuff. Like, I have not seen anything like this on YouTube. Nothing is this automated. This is the entire agency prospecting system, and it's mind-blowing. I'm not going to lie, it is mind-blowing. So essentially, that is our process, okay? And in this video, I'm just going to walk you through how to set this up so you can just start hitting local businesses as soon as possible, quite frankly. So this is super easy because I've already built out this entire thing for free. Yes, all of this entire system, I'm going to give you for free. And if you're wondering, you're like, what is he using to build this all out? It's called Go High Level, and it is a special AI software that is extremely powerful. Don't worry. There's no course or some outdated coaching program trying to sell you, none of that. What I've done is I've talked to the team, to get you an extended 30-day free trial, not the 14-day free trial you see on their website, but an extended 30-day free trial right down below, where when you sign up with that, I'm going to give you access to all of this for free, plus my entire private community with all of my trainings, even calls with me where you can talk to me and a bunch of my other coaches. That way you have all of the help you could possibly need. So that is all free right down below. But what I've done to make this even easier, because I want really beginner-friendly stuff, because beginner-friendly doesn't mean you make less money. That's what people mistake online. It actually means simpler, more done for you. In reality, your whole goal does not want to be focusing on tech. AI can do a lot of this for you. Your goal should be reaching out to local businesses. Yes, it's not the fun part, but it's the part that makes you money. And if gurus are telling you otherwise, they're lying to you or trying to sell you something. So this is how this is going to work. Okay, very simply, in order to set all of this up, because it already is set up, we want to just come right in, to custom values right in here. And all we have to do, because this is all set up within all of these. So if we come right in here and we look, you will see custom values and all kinds of stuff is already set up. And the way we do that is by just plugging it in to these 5 placeholders. Yes, it is that easy. So first off, client industry. All we would do is we click edit, boom, put in the client industry right here, which is the value. It will then pre-populate anywhere there are these brackets across all of these agents. How awesome is that? Boom, put it in. Number 2, pain number 1, same thing. You come in here, whatever the pain point is of your business. Because again, we can hit any niche with any offer. You're selling websites? Boom, this AI agent works. You're selling missed call text back? Boom, this AI agent works. You're selling social media management, ads, you name it, we can make it work with this agent. All we have to do is change these things out, as you see here, and we are done. Again, put in the first pane, come to the second one, click edit right here, put in that next pane, come to pane number 3, put in the next pain. If you don't know what the pain is, it is what your avatar, who you're going after, okay, the pain they struggle from. Are they not getting enough leads? Not enough traffic, et cetera, et cetera. We just want to slap that in just like that. And then last but not least, under this last one, under edit, we want to plug in right here, okay, the exact result. Are they going to get more leads? Are they going to get more booked appointments? Are they going to, rise higher up on Google? What are you trying to give them? From there, you just make sure all of these are filled out. Then everything else is done and dusted, and you're done and you're ready to go. And you just have to start pumping businesses and leads through your system. It is that easy. I'm gonna let you know, this took me a long time to build. This wasn't something I just snapped my fingers and was done. This was a lot of testing, going back and forth. How do you do this? How do you do that? It wasn't easy, but that's the whole point. I'm giving this to you for free so you can immediately get started, then focus on what matters most, which is, you guessed it, selling to local businesses. So that is how simple this process is. All right, so that's it, guys. So let's do a quick recap so you understand exactly what to do. First things first, make sure you grab all of these amazing assets for free right down below, which you also get access to my community and the 30 days of this amazing powered software for free. And if you don't like it after 30 days, you can cancel. Once you have it, though, you need to set it up. So all of these, you have the outreach agent, you have the email agent, you have the AI voice agent, you then have these automations, the invoice automations, all this good stuff. You just come right into settings, go into custom values, and fill out each of these, and you're done. It is that simple. Like, I've made it to be plug and play. Not so you're spending hours mindless tech confused. I don't want that. And if this looks too good to be true, well, it kind of is, because I did all the work for you. This actually was really hard to set up, like extremely annoying, very tedious, and I had to test it a bunch of times. But from here, all you got to do is set it and forget it. And what I recommend you do, once you fill out each of these, okay, and you're like, I like this is good, I then recommend you go through and make sure everything is live, and you go through and you make sure everything is working. So test the chatbot. You can even come in here and call the AI voice agent like this to test it. So watch this. You want to test.
Hey, team, following up on your recent call. Do you have a couple of minutes to chat?
I do. What's your name?
I'm your assistant here to help, but I don't have a personal name. How can I
So you
assist
can
you
name
today?
it. I'm trying to buy your services.
Got it. I'd be happy to help you with that. Could you share a bit more about what you're looking for?
See, perfect. Obviously, this agent is blank. That's why you fill these in. But from here, once these are filled in, you want to walk through each of these. So say, hey, I am a plumber trying to rank higher on Google. Boom. If that's your offer, we want to put that in. From there, you'll see it'll just guide you through this process. And that's really what we want. So that's how this whole thing's going to work. I think this is amazing. I really do. I think this is the next level of really growing a business, having the entire automated sales follow-up. And guys, if you are an AI agency or a marketing agency or a SaaS agency trying to sell to local businesses, you need to be using stuff like this. It's incredibly powerful. Now, obviously, you got to make sure you're opted in and whatnot. But other than that, it is extremely powerful. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Get your hands on this right down below. It is free. You do not have to pay me if you're using high level under me. If you have questions, put them in the comments. I will answer personally. If you love the video, drop a comment. If you hate the video, drop a comment. I want this to be an interactive learning experience. Then most importantly, make sure you get in my private community. But what I want to do now is I want to link a video at the end of this video. It's going to pop up in about 10 seconds. It's going to go over everything you get in my community. It's also going to show you real people winning so you understand, okay, this guy's legit and in a robe. He's not just some random guy talking. That way you can kind of get a better understanding of how this works. So seriously, thank you so much for watching, and make sure you watch the video that pops up right now.